this is a mock test, revision come mock test. Yesterday I explained you about goodwill, the goodwill treatment, calculation of goodwill on the basis of super profit and average profit method, weighted average profit, and the treatment of goodwill and reserves and accumulated profits. Goodwill treatment is so important because it is applicable in all the chapters. It is applicable in admission, retirement, death, right? Change in profit sharing ratio. So you will have to do it very, very correctly, and you will have to see that you don't miss any of the point in that. Don't miss the point. Treatment of goodwill. A and B are partners. A and B are partners. Ratio is 3:2. A and B are partners. Ratio 3:2. They admit C. C pays a premium of rupees 3,000. C pays a premium of rupees 3,000. Vaishali, adjust yourself. Sit facing the camera properly. C pays rupees 3,000 for 3/10, 3/10, 3/10 share of profit, 3/10 for 3/10 share of profit, which he acquires from A and B in the ratio two is to 1. Goodwill already appearing in the book. Goodwill already appearing in the book. Rupees 2,000 is rupees 2,000. Journalize. Journalize. Again, one more small. Anil and Akhil. Anil and Akhil are partners. Two ratio 1. Sahil is admitted. Sahil is admitted for 1/5 share. And brings rupees 30,000 as capital. And brings rupees 30,000 as capital. And necessary and necessary amount of goodwill for cash. The goodwill of the entire firm is rupees 50,000, 50. Generalize. Next, Sandeep earns an average profit of 1,30,000. Sandeep earns an average profit of 1,30,000 annually. The average capital employed is rupees 6 lakh. And the expected rate of return is 12%. 12 is 12%. The salary of partner is estimated at 25,000 per annum. The salary of partner is estimated at 25,000 per annum. Calculate the amount of goodwill. Calculate the amount of goodwill on the basis of 2.5 years purchase. On the basis of 2.5 years of purchase of super profit. Very important and good question. 2.5 years of purchase of super profit. Next, a firm earned rupees 1 lakh. A firm earned rupees 1 lakh as average profit during the last few years. normal rate of return, normal rate of return in this class of business is, in this class of business is 10%. Find the goodwill according to capitalization method. According to capitalization method,
return in
is business return is 10%. Find the goodwill according to capitalization method, capitalization of super profit. If the value of assets, if the value of assets, if the value of assets amounted to rupees 10 lakhs, if the value of assets amounted to rupees 10 lakhs, and liabilities amounted to rupees, and the liabilities amounted to rupees 2 lakhs, liabilities amounted to rupees 2 lakhs. यह है कैपिटलाइजेशन ऑफ सुपर प्रॉफिट, कैपिटलाइजेशन ऑफ सुपर प्रॉफिट. Simple question, both. Now from your book, take out retirement. Take out retirement from your book. And question number, practical question number 35. This is my, this one book, you see. Practical question number 35, Sameer, Yasmin and Saloni. Sameer, Yasmin and Saloni. Did you get it? Everyone, raise your hand. Sameer, Yasmin and Saloni. You will start from this question. I am giving you 10 minutes for this question, one of goodwill and one question of super profit. 3 questions you have to solve, make PDF and send me. If I find it 50% correct, if your questions are 50% correct, you will get marks in the exam. But your PDF should reach me before 9, 10, 20, 10, 20. 25 चलिए, 10, 25, 10, 5 हो रहा है अभी, 30 मान लीजिए चलिए आप, 10, 30 तक आपका PDF आ जाना चाहिए. All those who are present will get marks for it in the exam. Extra marks. This is your revision cum mock test. It is an opportunity for you to score marks. Now I will not speak much. You can start your test, mock test, solve this question and send in the PDF only. Other than PDF I will not accept. Start solving. और पीछे जो मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रहे, हरविंदर सिंह, move back.
All the questions we have to do.
Harvinder Singh, you have to move back so that you are visible clearly. और पीछे, no, not like this, beta. You see how other students are sitting. Every day I have to tell you.
Sir, we have to send all the questions.
Practical question number 26, retirement, Sameer wala. Now you can start. And if you are not solving, not able to solve and not sending the PDF, it means you are not interested. This is a type of mock test. You are being recorded. Okay, just like you give exam, you are giving the exam and your every activity is getting recorded. Vansika, थोड़ा और पीछे हो जाओ. Show your working notes very clearly. No rough work. Working notes should be there, clear. Yeah, be quick, be quick. Speed is must. Even if you know all the questions and you are not able to do in time, useless. You still have 15 minutes. If you are able to score 50% in these 3 questions, you may pass in the exam. There are chances that you may pass in the exam. And don't cheat yourself. Do not cheat yourself. Dhruv is doing very properly. Dhruv, Kases, Archie, Amit. If you want, you can see them, how they are sitting. Amit also nicely sitting. And the same way you have to sit in the exam also, otherwise you will be removed from the exam. इसलिए अपने अरेंजमेंट पहले से कर लीजिए सब. Scroll your screen and see how these students are sitting. And Krish also, Krish और ये क्या नाम इनका, रमनप्रीत, क्रिश एंड आई सी. आप कैमरा बेटा वाइड एंगल करके बैठा करो. Ramanpreet also and Vansika also. It gives a better view. कैमरा ना, नो नो
सर अब सही है.
नहीं बेटा, ऐसे हाफ स्क्रीन आती है तुम्हारी.
लैंडस्केप में.
हाँ, लैंडस्केप में रख के बैठा करो कैमरा. Yeah, this is nice. बस very nice. It covers wider angle and also हमारी स्क्रीन पे भी it gives a broad view. All the students are sitting in the landscape mode. Namanpreet also, very nice. It is only a matter of adjusting for 1 minute and you can every day same place पे आपने बैठना है. It's very easy. Mansa is giving very nice view. Backside brother is resting. ऐसा लग रहा है कोई फोटो लगी हुई है.
हेलो सर.
यस
सर ये सर जो समीर यास्मीन सलोनी वाला क्वेश्चन है सर,
कौन सा?
ये सर वही सर बुक वाला रिटायरमेंट वाला
हाँ जी.
सर उसमें सर सिर्फ मतलब रिवैल्यूएशन और एंट्री बनानी है. रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट और एंट्रीज,
जनरल एंट्री.
मतलब ये बनाने हैं, कैपिटल अकाउंट भी बनाना है सर उसका.
ना कैपिटल अकाउंट ऑल्सो. जनरल एंट्री एक बार को मत करो, कोई बात नहीं. आई वॉन्ट टू सी रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट, calculation of this gaining ratio, treatment of goodwill, capital account, balance sheet. These are the things I want to see whether you know or not.
सर इस क्वेश्चन में तो इतनी बनानी भी नहीं है.
आप बनाओ. We have to see.
अच्छा
Journal
ठीक है सर.
no problem.
सर जनरल एंट्री तो बना दी अब.
बना दी तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. That is very nice of you. You can take 5 minutes extra and send by 35. No problem.
ओके सर.
If you have made very good. Nice view. आपका मैंने सबकी pictures ले ली हैं and I have sent in the group. You are giving test and you will see how studious you are looking. Giving test.
न्यू रेशियो दे रखा 3:2. न्यू रेशियो कितना 3:2. और रिटायर कौन हुआ? यास्मीन और सलोनी है अभी. समीर रिटायर हुआ. रिटायरिंग पार्टनर. समीर शेयर कितना 4/10. गेनिंग रेशियो इक्वल टू.
स्पीकर बंद कर ले अपना.
क्या है?
अरे you have helped all these students.
कोई बात नहीं सर, थोड़ा बहुत चलता है.
Okay, okay. Harvinder Singh, very honest. So I am turning off the meeting. You can continue. No problem. You can continue. And up to 10:30, you can do the questions or 10:35. But before 10:35, I should get the solutions in PDF format only. अगर PDF के अलावा आएगा, I will not check. Only in PDF format. Thank you. God bless all of you. Yes.
सर वो 10:20 पे इंग्लिश वाली क्लास भी है.
हैं?
इंग्लिश की क्लास भी है.
हाँ तो कोई बात नहीं, एक दिन 5 मिनट लेट ज्वाइन कर लो, तुम्हारा वजन कम नहीं हो जाएगा.
ओके सर.
जैसे कि तुम बहुत इतना खतरनाक टाइम के पक्के हो ना.
नहीं सर, वो कैलकुलेशन में सर थोड़ा टाइम लग जाएगा ना सर.
हाँ हाँ कोई बात नहीं. 10:30 तक आप कर लो, उसके बाद जो है यू कैन डू एज यू लाइक. वरना जितना कर लिया उतना बना के भेज दो. नो प्रॉब्लम.